Hello, beautiful beings. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just had to share this moment with you. All day when I was cleaning the lake house today, I was just like, I know my plates are going to be there. I know they're going to be there today. Oh, they are. And then I couldn't get the mailbox open, so a man tried and tried and tried, and he finally got it open for me inside the post office. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yay! Next, I'm going to get some placards made for the outside of Netza. Song with Mamaji and the Ancients. By donation only, you know, my phone number, my email. I'm going to have one on the back and one on each side. Okay. Wow. I'm going to go home and put them on. Go say hi to Doozer, and then I don't care if it's raining. I'm putting these on for sure. Love you so much.